AirTag battery anxiety? Not anymore. Elevation Lab TimeCapsule. 10 years of worry-free tracking. Say goodbye to the yearly battery swap struggle. The Elevation Lab TimeCapsule delivers over 14x the battery life of standard AirTags using 2AA batteries instead of those tiny, unreliable CR2032s. That means up to 10 years of continuous tracking without ever having to rip open your AirTag again. Perfect for high-value items like vehicles, trailers, motorcycles, and gear bags, this IP69 waterproof fortress keeps your tracker safe, dry, and working when you need it most. Because a dead AirTag is just a fancy paperweight, protect what matters with real power. What makes TimeCapsule superior? Unmatched durability. Its fiber-reinforced composite shell and CNC-machined screws make it practically indestructible, ensuring your AirTag survives the wildest adventures. Unlike flimsy cases, this military-grade shield protects against water, dust, and impact, meaning your AirTag won't just last longer, it'll stay secure, no matter where you place it. Whether it's strapped to an RV, buried in a toolbox, or guarding your camera bag, this case is built for the long haul. It even blends in, its discreet design won't scream AirTag inside to potential thieves. Installing the TimeCapsule is so easy, even a caveman could do it. Just remove your AirTag's battery and metal door, place it on the custom contact, insert 2 AA batteries, and screw it shut with the included hex wrench. That's it. No complicated steps, no special tools, just instant, foolproof battery security. When it's time for a swap, which won't be for years, just pop in fresh AA lithiums, and you're good to go. Forget about CR2032s, they were never meant for serious tracking. Beyond insane battery life and rugged durability, this case saves you money. Think about it, no more overpriced, hard-to-find CR2032 coin cells, no more AirTags dying at the worst possible moment, no more lost items due to a dead tracker. Just AA batteries you can grab anywhere and years of uninterrupted tracking power. That's not just convenience, it's peace of mind, knowing your valuables are always being watched, protected, and easily found when needed. This is the AirTag upgrade you didn't know you needed. Whether you're securing a motorcycle, trailer, boat, or just want ultimate reliability, the Elevation Lab TimeCapsule is the smartest, longest lasting, and most durable AirTag case on the planet. Click Add to Cart now, because when it comes to tracking, dead batteries aren't an option.